Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to add three numbers using Microsoft Excel. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I am here in my desktop. I'm using Windows 11. I will double click Excel 2007. So we have your cell A1. So let's have a value of 4, 5, and 6. So to add the sum of three numbers, 4, 5, and 6, we can use this formula no? Equals A1 plus A2 plus A3. Press the enter key. So we have 15. That's the long method. Now, the short method is the use of this one, function equals sum A1 colon A3. Enter, we have also 15. That's it, no? So, that's very easy, no, to add the sum of three numbers using Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much, no, for watching, guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this short video. Please subscribe and don't forget to like and share, no? So see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.